You've completed a drawing and your teacher has told you it's too flat and unrealistic, there's not enough tone or detail, and the outlines are too heavy. This video I'm going to teach you how to improve your drawings. First thing is to make sure you have a really good quality picture with loads of tone and detail. First of all, draw in the details. So you know where to put your tone, add darker lines to plan where it's going to be. Looking carefully at your picture, add in the detail, remembering to vary the weight of the lines as you draw. Add small, controlled amounts of tone, only in small areas. Look really carefully at your original picture and notice where the details begin to change. On this particular shell, the lines flow in semicircles, but your shell might be different. Make sure you're not applying the same level of change to everywhere on the shell, otherwise there'll be no different tonal qualities. Keep a lot of your drawing white. This is going to show contrast and detail. If you add tone in everywhere, you will lose the contrast and detail. Now I'll show you how to make the drawing on the left look more like the drawing on the right. Heavy outlines make a drawing look unrealistic, so to get rid of the appearance of heavy outlines, match it with a little bit of the same tone nearest to the line. Use a rubber to erase flat tone in the lightest areas of the shell. Now there is some space within your drawing to add some more details. Make sure you're varying the weight of the line and looking carefully at your original shell or photograph. Make the tones heavier in the darkest areas to show contrast. A quality drawing will have varied tone, varied line and mark making, areas that are blank for contrast, and they appear to have a lot of detail. These same rules apply to whatever you are drawing. Now you know how to turn your flat and unrealistic drawings into 3D realistic drawings.